great question, especially for cottagers who are in their cars a lot and who often face challenging driving conditions. Things vary a bit depending on make and model of the car, but here are the broad strokes. Most cars are two-wheel drive. That's probably because it's most fuel efficient to drive with just two wheels powering the car, and it can deliver enough traction in most driving situations. But for that last kilometer to the cottage, it might be worth your money to have all-wheel drive, or AWD. Especially when coupled with winter tires in the snowy season, all-wheel drive is ideal for off the highway and along hilly, bumpy, or uneven stretches. And on bumpy roads, the transmission will give more power to the tires with traction and less to the ones without. But a lot of people think that all-wheel drive is better at handling or cornering, which is a mistake. Drive too fast for the road or the conditions and you will end up in the ditch, all-wheel drive or not. Four-wheel drive or 4x4s are great for when you need extra power, hauling heavy goods, or for off-road driving. But four-wheel drive doesn't handle as well because the transmission is trying to turn all four tires at the same speed when you're going around a corner. Regardless of what you choose, the safest car is the one that obeys the rules of the road. Slow and steady wins the race.